Hello students, welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 3, Points of View. Now let us discuss activity number 5. The story of the blind man and the elephant is about different points of view. Okay, different viewpoints they have given that we have studied about the blind man, and they are perspecting, they are testing, they are touching elephant, and they are giving their own viewpoint. The story began in India, but it has spread all over the world. The story started in India, but it found in all over the world. It's part of many religion also studied, and it has many variation also we found in this story. This is one that was made into a poem by John Godfrey Saxe in a early 1870. This poem was written by John Godfrey Saxe in a 1870. Let us see this poem, The Blind Man and the Elephant by John Godfrey Saxe. It was 6 men of Hindustan, to learning much inclined, who went to see the elephant, though all of them were blind, that each by observation might satisfy his mind. Here the story of 6 person of Hindustan means Hindustan, and here they all were thinking, learning much inclined. Inclined means they are having their own tendency to observe and then check it about their observation, their touching, their experiencing, their experience. The first approached the elephant, and happening to fall against his broad and sturdy side, at once began to bawl. God bless me, but the elephant is very like a wall. First person touched elephant's sturdy side, the stomach part, the back part he touched, and he said that this part is like a wall. May God bless me, an elephant, because that part I tested, I checked, it was like wall. The second, filling of tusk, cried, Ho! What have we here so very round and smooth and sharp? To me, it mighty clear. This wonder of an elephant is very like a spear. Then afterwards, another person who touched elephant's tusk, teeth. 2 teeth are there elephants. That he touched, and he said that it is like sword, it is like spear, like sharp object. The third approached the animal, and happening to take the squirming trunk within his hands, thus boldly up and spake, I see, quoth he, the elephant is very like a snake. Then afterwards the third person touched elephant's trunk, squirming trunk. Yes, squirming means moving from one side to another side, he touched it. And spake means he spoke, that the elephant front side is like snake, like that is said. Then fifth one, the fourth reached out an eager hand, and felt about the knee. What most this wondrous beast is like is mighty plain, quoth he. It is clear enough the elephant is very like a tree. Then afterwards it was matter of the next person. When next person saw, then he understood. When he touched his hand, reached out an eager hand about the knee. He saw that it was looking like tree, very strong. His legs are like tree. The fifth, who chanced to touch the ear, said, even the blindest man can tell what this resembles. Most Danny the fact, who can? This marvel of an elephant is very like a fan. Then afterwards next person said about his ear. Elephant's ear is like fan. The sixth no sooner had begun about the beast to grow, than seizing on the swinging tail that fell within his scoop, I see, quoth the elephant is very like a rope. Then the sixth person touched the elephant's tail, and he understood that his tail is like rope, like a rope. His tail is. He is telling like this. Marvel means a piece of wonder, and seizing means touching, holding. Then, and so this man of Hindustan dispute loud and long, each in his own opinion. Now all are giving their own opinion, exceeding stiff and strong. They are proclaiming their own ideas, though each was partly in the right. All are partly right, and all were in the wrong, and all were wrong also. The moral of the poem is so oft in a theologic war when we are giving our idea, our theology. In this, the disputant, it will be dispute, I win, rail on in utter ignorance of what each other mean, and prate about an elephant not one of them has seen. This nobody has seen this creature elephant, but they are giving their own opinion and own idea. Okay, now here I have completed this poem. Now you can find out some difficult meaning and some difficult words and its meaning also I have given, that you can see in your you can write in a notebook from the PDF which I have sent. Okay, the words and its meaning I have given, you can see. This poem also you can read, this poem also you can memorize. Okay, so thank you very much. Goodbye.